What can you see in the picture? I can see
Pig.
a pig. Okay, very good. Now let's have this one here. Complete your sentence. I can see what color is the pig?
The pig is pink.
Okay. Can you say I can see a pink pig? Okay,
A pink pig.
good. What else can you see?
I can see a white goat.
Okay, very good. I can see a white goat. You are very smart, Elsa. Good job. What else?
I can see a brown duck.
I can see a brown. Can you say brown?
Brown duck.
Okay, look at my mouth. Say brown. Brown.
Run.
I can see a brown dog.
I can see a round duck.
It's not row. B, brown. B, brown.
Brown.
Okay, one more time. I can see a brown dog.
I can see a round duck.
Okay, that's better. Very good. Yeah, what else? How about this one here? What are they?
Farmer.
Okay, two farmers.
Farmers.
Okay, you can say, I can see two farmers. Okay? Okay, let's read together. Can you read this one? I
I
can see.
can see a pink pig.
Very good. This one.
I can see a white goat.
Perfect. How about this one?
I can see a brown duck.
Yay, that's right. And this one?
I can see two farmers.
Okay, no, I can see two farmers.
I can see two farmers.
Very good. Correct, 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 and correct. You get 4 over 4. Yes, because you are very good. I will give you ice cream. Do you like that one? Yes? Okay. Hold on. I'll give you ice cream because you are very good. Okay? All right, for a moment. Okay, ice cream for you. There you go. Yeah, this is an ice cream for you. Look. Ice cream. Let's eat together. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. This is for Elsa because Elsa is very good. What will you say? Thank you. Thank you, Teacher Shine.
Thank you, Teacher Sean.
Wow, you're welcome. Okay, now let's have this one here. Can you help me answer this one? Do you like animals? Yes or no?
Yes.
I ask you, do. You should say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do, or
No,
no, I don't. Always remember to answer in a complete sentence. Okay? That's very important in learning English. Okay, one more time. Do you like animals?
yes, I do.
Very good. That's correct. Give me high five. High two. High two. High two. High six. High eight. High three. High two. That's high two. High three. High 10. Yay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Answer in a complete sentence. Yes, I am happy.
Yes, I am happy.
One more time. Yes, I am happy, Teacher Shine.
Yes, I am happy, Teacher Sean.
Very good. I want you to be happy always, like Teacher Shine Thompson. Okay? Okay, Teacher Shine.
Yes.
All right, now this one. What is your favorite animal?
I like a rabbit.
Wow, I like rabbits too. Can you say my favorite animal?
My favorite
Animal is rabbit.
rabbit.
Okay, very good. Just like this one here, I'll show you rabbit because you are doing great. Okay, wow. Yeah, look at this one. It is a,
Rabbit.
wow, which one do you like? White rabbit or brown rabbit?
White rabbit.
Okay, I like, I like.
I like white rabbit.
Okay, why do you like white rabbit? Because
Because
because I like white rabbit because
because
it's very cute, right?
it's very cute.
And yeah, very cute like Elsa. All right, so let's go back in here. Okay, can you tell me what does the rabbit eat? What does the rabbit eat?
Carrot.
Okay, very good. Again, answer in a complete sentence. The rabbits
Is carrot.
eat carrots. The rabbits eat carrots. Okay? Again, one more time. The rabbits.
A rabbit eat carrots.
How about rice? Do they eat rice? Yes or no?
No.
No, they don't.
No, they don't.
Okay. Look, this is my question. Do they eat rice? You can say no,
No,
they don't. Okay, do they eat grasses?
no.
The rabbit eats grasses, right? Yes, they do. All right, again. Do they eat grasses?
Yes, they do.
Very good. Do they eat rice?
No, they don't.
Do they eat ice cream?
No, they don't.
Do they eat chocolate?
No, they don't.
Okay, good job. That's right. Okay, now we have here a question. Okay, let's answer this one together. What farm animal has black or brown spots? Oh no, and it gives milk for the farm.
Chicken.
Oh, do they give milk? The chicken? It gives milk for the farm. What's that animal?
Cow.
Okay, always answer in a complete sentence. Say
It's a cow.
it's a cow. Very good. That is correct. It's a cow. Yay, you're doing great. Good job. This is correct. Correct, correct, and correct. You get 4/4 again. Yay, are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, this time I will give you, look, which one do you like? Watermelon or apple?
I like apple.
Okay, I'll give you red apple. Wow, look at this. You have a red apple. Wow. Okay, what will you say? Thank you.
So,
Teacher Shine.
thank you, teacher.
Shine.
Bye.
Okay, Shine. Very good. You're welcome. All right, now we still have time. Oh, what can you see in the picture? I can see
I can see a cow,
cow. What else?
chicken,
A chicken. What else?
a sheep,
Sheep.
and a duck.
Duck. Very good. Can you tell me what's the color of the cow?
The cow is black and white.
Okay, good job. That's right. How about the duck? What color is the duck?
Is white.
Okay, and how about the chicken?
The chicken is brown.
How about the sheep?
Sheep is white and black.
Very good. That's right. Which one do you like? Cow, sheep, duck, or chicken?
I like a duck.
Yeah, because you ate a duck, right? You eat a duck for dinner, yeah? Oh, OMG. I love to eat chicken. I love to eat cow. I love to eat pork, and I love to eat duck.
Duck.
Yeah. How about pig? How about pork? Do you like to eat pork? No.
No,
Okay, so no, I don't like.
no, I don't like.
Oh, okay, that's my favorite. I ate pork this evening, and I also have this one here. I have a chocolate coffee. Okay, you cannot see it. It's a chocolate coffee. Yeah. Yeah. You like to drink chocolate?
No,
No, I don't like.
no, I don't
Again, always remember to answer in a complete sentence, okay? It's very important. All right, so we will just finish this one. Can you tell me what is this? It's a
like. Spider
spider. Can you tell me what color is the spider?
is brown and yellow.
Good. How about this one? What is this? It's a it's a
It's a lizard.
with a D sound. Can you say lizard?
Lizard
Lizard. Okay, very good. It's a lizard. Okay. What color is the lizard?
is white and black.
Good. That's right. This one. What is this?
Frog.
Frog. Do you like frogs?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. What color is the frog?
The frog is green.
Okay, good job. Correct, correct, and correct. Wow. Yay! You happy?
Yes.
Happy, teacher Shine?
Yes.
All right. Yay! I'm happy to hear that one too. And with that, I will give you a hamburger. Wow. Yeah. Do you like to eat hamburger?
No,
Which one do you like here? How about cookie?
I like watermelon.
Okay, I'll give you watermelon. I like watermelon too. My mom likes to eat watermelon. How about your mom? Does your mom like to eat watermelon too?
No,
No, she doesn't. She doesn't.
she doesn't.
All right, it's okay. Thank you so much, Elsa, and thank you so much, Mommy. But I do not have enough time anymore because I still have another class. I hope to see you again here in Saigon Learning English Center. Will I see you again, Elsa? See you again, okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye. See you again soon. You take care.
Bye.